Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to the Warner Brothers studio tour. Very excited to go and check out this. It's a 3-hour tour. You get an hour guided, 2 hours unguided. Checking out everything the Warner Brothers have made, produced here.
Get to see some of the sets.
Yeah.
Get to go in some of the sound stages. So I believe they get to choose which ones you go in.
Yep, I believe so. And yeah, you've got the likes of Friends, Big Bang Theory. Sets you get to go into.
You get to sit on the actual couch and within the actual set. So
yeah, very much looking forward to this. We're going to head in now, go and catch our tour tram, which I don't think I'll be able to film that part of it, but we'll try to include some photos.
I think you're allowed to take photos. Yeah, no filming.
But yeah,
yeah,
let's head on in, shall we? We're gonna give him a call.
I don't think he's home.
Oh. So now we've done with the guided tour part, which unfortunately we couldn't film. We're now just arrived at stage
38 or 40 something.
I think it's 38, which has got a lot of the walkthrough stuff, the self-guided stuff that we can film. We've just stopped up at the Central Perk cafe. You went for a barbecue pizza pocket, and
yeah, it was nice. It was $8.95, and it was really good actually.
And I just had a New York style cheesecake, which was $5.95. That was really good as well. So yeah, a nice little pit stop. An hour into the tour.
Nathan's not feeling emotional if he looks like he's been crying. This one's got a cold.
I've got a cold and my eye wouldn't stop streaming for the last hour. So if it looks bloodshot, so he hasn't punched me in the eye, so he hasn't. Yeah, I'm not just getting emotional at the fact we're sat in
He's
in
already
Friends.
crying about going to Disney later.
No, I've just got a cold. I feel fine. I'm feeling better than I did. My eye just wouldn't stop streaming. So I'm all right. Don't panic. You don't need to worry about me. I'm all good. So yeah, we sat in the Friends sets here.
The dance. I don't know the routine. I've really enjoyed it so far. They mention a lot of TV programs and films that I've not watched or heard of, but when there is like that little like
you got excited about when they mentioned You, didn't they?
yeah,
Not
so,
You, the TV program You on Netflix.
So yeah, there's a series on Netflix called You. I got addicted to it. I binge watched it.
That's an understatement. She watched like all the episodes in 2 days.
And yeah, I think it's series 3. One of the characters has like a bakery, like a cupcake shop. And yeah, and when the tour guide said, "Oh, you might also recognise it from You," I was like, "Oh!" Like straight away, I was like, "Oh my god!" Yeah. So.
Thank God we didn't go down to the basement of that though.
Yeah, might have seen Joy and got stuck in the basement. No, it's really good. Really good.
We got taken into a soundstage as well for All American, I think it was called.
Yeah.
Again, never seen it. But
they take you into some practical sets and then show you what it looks like when it's just a facade versus when it has got staircase and whatever it may be in it. But they never have a second level because they need the height for the lights and air conditioning because it gets so hot with all the people and the lights and technology in there. So yeah, it was really interesting.
It wasn't. It was only a small tour group as well. What was about 15 of us?
Yeah.
Taken around to all different places that you'd probably recognise from TV programs and films that you've seen.
Might not recognise it straight away, but then when they show clips on the tour carts of exactly what you're looking at and like different films or sometimes music videos, commercials.
Like, oh my god, that's it.
Yeah, penny drops. A lot of young Sheldon, Friends.
Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang Theory. A lot of locations.
Pretty Little Liars, mentioned quite a bit.
Yeah.
So yeah, really good so far. Really enjoying it. But we're now in the self-guided part, so we're going to go and check out the DC exhibition. There's a Harry Potter bit. There's some other Warner Brothers.
Harry Potter?
Mention Harry Potter.
Oh. I zoned out. I was watching Friends on the TV.
You can watch Friends at home. Yeah, should we crack on with the self-guided tour?
Yep. When you get off the guided part of the tour, you go straight into a cafe.
Yeah.
Say a cafe that's themed like Central Perk. But then there's additional seating to the right-hand side as you get off the bus.
Past the shop.
And yeah, there's like different areas that you can sit in. So it's either Monica's front room, Monica's kitchen, the outside park area. We've got a Central Perk themed area. So yeah, it's quite cool. You can sit and have your coffee on, in a themed area on one of, not the original iconic sofas, but you know what I mean, like it feels like you're there. Are you ready?
As ready as I'll ever be. About Harry Potter. It's why in the US is it called the Sorcerer's Stone and we call it the Philosopher's Stone?
Oh yeah.
Why have they got two different names for?
Never noticed that.
If anyone knows the answer to that, put it in the comments because I'm interested to know. Oh, Leonardo.
Wow.
Very young Leonardo DiCaprio. So he's now channeling her inner costume designer.
Who should I design for?
The Great Gatsby.
I've never been so thin in my life.
So we've gone to the recording booth.
Alright, when it's time to record, you're going to hear some countdown beeps and your script will appear at the bottom of the screen. Just read along with the script, you're going to do great.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
See how it come out.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
My timer is slightly off. I need a little bit more.
Bit more practice.
Bit more practice.
Ah, your boldness knows no bounds. Yes, yes. You're clearly a Gryffindor!
Weren't expecting that, were you?
No, it wasn't.
Honorable to the court. A head like yours is a joy to see. Hufflepuff!
I'm Gryffindor according to Pottermore. So that is it for the Warner Brothers studio tour here in Burbank. Really, really enjoyed that. The guided tour was really good, getting to see some of the sound stages, some of the sets that have been used in lots and lots of famous films and TV programs. And then the self-guided tour was good as well. Saw some of the sets from Friends, Big Bang Theory, and actually get photos from there. And then obviously the DC and the Harry Potter bits as well. So if you do want to see more Harry Potter stuff, Warner Brothers tour in London is really, really good. Highly recommend checking that out. Got a vlog if you want to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description for you.
Shameless plug.
It's my own channel, I'm plugging my own channel. But yeah, I enjoyed it. Did you?
I did, yeah. This was one of the things that I wasn't 100% sure whether I definitely wanted to do, so we left it until...
Yesterday.
Was it literally yesterday that we looked at? I was like, yeah, whilst we're here, let's do it.
It was $70 each.
Yeah.
You can also book it through the likes of attraction tickets as well from the UK, so you've got that as an option. But yeah, would you say it was worth it?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. Very much similar to the studio tour at Universal, but so much more in depth, and obviously you get to see a lot of the props and sit on the original sets and actually get to go inside the building. So if that's your cup of tea, then you'll love this.
Yeah,
love
definitely.
It.
But yeah, that is going to do it for this vlog. We are heading now to the Disney Studios for the D23 Disney Studios tour, so very much looking forward to that. I know I can't film there, but I'll take loads and loads of photos and we'll put out some kind of video from that.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
Feeling very lucky, very privileged, because general public aren't normally allowed in. It's only because it's their anniversary and D23.
Yeah. That they're doing it.
Been able to get tickets to go through where only normally Disney employees get to go. So
yeah, that's exciting. That'll be coming up next week for you. But if you're not already following me on social media, X is at NathanStaker1, Instagram is at NathanStaker, and Facebook is NathanStaker1997. Where can we find you?
British Life UK on socials.
Until next time, we shall see you real soon. Bye guys.